Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're like me and you have extra bananas laying around, this is a great way to use them up. This is just 3 ingredients if you count the chocolate chips. If you don't, it is just 2 ingredients. It is bananas and the 1-minute oatmeal. When you mix those together, you can make them just like cookies. Put them in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. I just recently got this mixer, and the recipe actually called for taking a fork and smashing up the bananas, but why would I want to do that when I have this mixer? So I'm just going to throw 3 bananas, the 3 that I have left, in there with a 1.5 cups of oatmeal. If you like your cookie to be a little stiffer, you could put 2 cups of oatmeal. And then I'm going to give that a good mix. I am going to cut all the bad spots out. And here I'm just going to add 1.5 cups of oatmeal. If you wanted your cookie a little drier, you could add 2 cups. It doesn't take long for this all to come together. And then I just threw in some chocolate chips. I did not measure how many. And now I'll grab a cookie sheet. I have some parchment liners that I'm going to throw a sheet of that on my cookie sheet and use my scoop. And I get about 14 cookies out of this. I do end up pushing each cookie down to make sure they bake evenly. This would be a good snack to put into the freezer too. You could just pull them out as you needed one. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing. And at the end of this video, I will put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. Thank you for watching.